Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Snap camera on Google Chrome. First open your browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for Snap camera and install the extension. Once it's installed, you will see the websites where it can be used in description. Now open a new tab and click on the extension. Log in with your Snapchat account. I have already logged in, so I will continue from here. Next, I will go to Google Meet and start a meeting. You might see a message pop up, so just close it. Then go to the camera settings, select Snap camera and open the extension. From there, you can choose any filters and use it in your meeting. As you can see, it works smoothly. I hope this video helps you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.